Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how you can restore passport using your seed words. First off, I'm going to show you how you can view your seed words on the device. Let's get started. Viewing your seed words on passport is really simple. I'm just going to head to Settings, Advanced, View Seed Words. Passport will then show a short warning that anybody that knows these seed words can take your Bitcoin. So it's really important that you carry out these steps in a private area. Now it's a really good idea to have these seed words written down and stamped into metal as a more robust option. Once you've done this, you can opt to verify your seed words in the following screen. I'm now going to show you how you can restore passport using that 24-word seed. This can be done upon initial setup if you already have a seed, or it can be done after erasing passport as a method of testing your backup. Okay, so it's a really simple process. You're just going to click on Restore Seed. Passport's then going to give you the option of what seed word length you'd like to use. By default, Passport uses 24 words. However, you can import both 18 or 12 word seeds if you have them already from a different wallet. Next, Passport is going to give you a brief instruction on how you can use predictive text to import each word. It's really easy. All you need to do is press the corresponding number that contains the letter that you want to enter. For example, if you wanted to enter the word car, you choose 2, 2, 7. Using these combinations, Passport will suggest all of the words within that category. Once that's done, Passport will save the seed and you'll be back to the familiar home screen.